Hello guys, welcome to Android Innovative. Today we are going to discuss a program to find a sum of digits of a given number. Suppose we have an input 123, this is 123, and the output will be 6, the sum of the digits. That means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So I hope you understand what we are going to do. We just find out the remainder of the number, and then we will add this number with the sum variable, and then we will find out a number after dividing by 10. Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate what we are going to do. First, we will check if number is greater than 0 or not. If yes, then we will go inside of the loop and we will find the remainder, which is num divide by 10. Okay, and then what we will do, we just add that number inside of some variable. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to add that number inside of the, and then we will divide that number by 10 and find out the integer part after this calculation. Okay, and then we will check still this number is greater than 0. If yes, then again it will find the remainder of the number and add inside of the sum, and then divide by 10 as usual. Okay, and this loop work till number is greater than 0. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. Okay, let's start the programming. Okay, first of all, we are just going to start a static void main. Okay. So I'll ask to user enter a number to find the sum of digits. Okay, and we will store this number in integer, and I can store this number with the long as well if number is greater than the limit. Okay, int num is equal to, as I already discussed, how can we read line using the, sorry, how can we read the line and print the number in the integer? It's int dot parse console dot read line. Okay, whatever we will read from the input, it will convert into the integer part. Okay, and I'm also going to create a, I'm going to create a two variable. Int is equal to int sum is equal to 0 and int remainder. Okay, now let's, and the loop will run till num is greater than 0. And what we are going to perform inside of this loop, what the logic is, need find out the remainder first. Remainder is equal to, how can we find out the remainder? When we will use the percentile operator, and we need to find out the last digit. So for that we need to divide by the 10. Okay, then we will add the remainder into the sum. Initially the value of sum is equal to 0. Okay, and once it will be added inside of with remainder, So it will be the value of remainder plus 0. Okay, initially. Now again, what we are going to do, we just going to find out new number after dividing by 10. Okay, suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 123. The remainder is what? Remainder is 3 in that case, and the number is remainder is 123. I'm just commenting out 123 percentile by 10 is equal to 3, and the number after dividing by 10, the integer part after dividing by 10 is equal to 12. Okay, so is this number is greater than 0? Yes, this number is greater than 0. So okay, so it will again come inside of this loop and move according to that. Okay, and it will perform till number equal to 0 or less than 0. Okay, once the number is less than 0 or equal to 0, it will be out from the this logic. Okay, once, so after completion of this loop, we will get some value of sum. Okay, so what we are going to do, we just print that value, nothing else. Right line, mm, sum of digits of given number is equal to is what? Okay, we can use parenthesis using with dollar sign, and we will just enter the variable name. Okay, and last, to hold the screen, we just use read line. Okay, this is a way to hold the screen. So this is the logic only. So we need to understand what we are going to do. We just find out the remainder first. Okay, as all I already discussed in the this one. First of all, we need to find out remainder, then it will be goes inside of the sum variable. Okay, and again, next remainder is 2 when we will divide 10 by the 12, and last remainder will be 1. So sum of 1 to 3. Okay, I'm just going to debug, then I'll explain. Okay, let me run the program first. Okay, so I'm just going to print only 1 to 3. So sum of, okay, is odd, not, okay, it's 6. So I'm just going to print another number is 359. What will be the sum is 359 is 358 and 8 9 17. Okay, the number is 17, the sum is 17. Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate it. Okay, for this we just put a debug point over here. Okay, I'm just going to print the number. So first what it will do, it will take this number as a reminder, and then this number 35 as a number. Once the 35 is a number, then 5 is a reminder, and last 3 is a reminder. Okay, let me start. Okay, is number is greater than 0? Yes. Okay, the number is 359. So what will the reminder? Number is what? 359, and the remainder will be 9. Okay, let me run this. Okay, now you can find out the remainder is 3 9. Okay, now sum is what? Initially we initialize the sum as a 0 and remainder is 9. So so the value is 9. The value of sum is 9. Okay, why it is the value of sum plus value of 9 is equal to 9. Okay, and now the new number is what? The integer part of after dividing by 10, which is 35. Okay, let me. So number is 35. Is number is greater than 0 or not? Yes, this is greater than 0. Then it will execute again. Logic will execute again. Now number is what? Number will be 5 because of 35. Number was 35, and the remainder of 35 after dividing by 5 is 5. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it. Is 5. Okay, what was the previous value of sum? Is 9, and the now what is the value of remainder is 5. Okay, so it is 5. Now what will be the current value? Is 49. Okay, let me check. Okay, now you can see that the value of sum is 14. Okay, and the num is what? 35, and after dividing 35 by 10 we will get 3. Okay, what we will get? 3. Dividing 35 by 10 is equal to 3. Okay, now is number is still greater than 0? Yes, so logic will execute again. Okay? Now what is the value of the 0? It is 0. What is the value of the num? Is equal to 0. Okay, now the logic will not execute. Now it will goes to the line, and what is the value of sum now? Is 17, and it will print the output and execute the program. I hope you understand this program. Thanks for watching.